Hello, this is Joe from Live Automation. In this video, we will be covering how to back up your Monitouch HMI. This tutorial applies to the V8, V9, V10, and all Technoshot series HMIs. First, we will upload the application to the PC. Click on the Upload button. I have this set to use USB, and it is already plugged in. Select Screen Data in the drop-down to upload the application. Now click the Transfer button, and you will see it comes right in. Now, let us cover SRAM. We will be following the same instructions, but now selecting SRAM Data in the drop-down, and it will ask you for a save location. In this case, we'll override the previous SRAM file. Finally, the INI file, which holds all your local mode settings. For reference, this isn't used on the V8 in TS1000 and TS2000 series HMIs. Just select it in the drop-down and upload. We will override the previously saved file. Now, let's go in reverse. First, I'll reset the HMI so it is clear. I will start by sending down the application. Go to the Download button, select Screen Data, and Transfer. I have taken the liberty of formatting the SRAM data to clear the format error. We have a blog post on how to do that, which you can find in a link in this video's description. Now, let us transfer the SRAM over. To show you, I have pulled up a VNC of the HMI. If you are transferring between different types of HMI, then you will want to convert the SRAM. Select Option and Convert SRAM Data. Go to Transfer Data and select SRAM Data. Note the change in the values in the numerical displays once we've sent the SRAM over. Finally, the INI file. Let's take a look at the default state and see how it can change. We go to System Setting, see that the buzzer is on in standard and backlight is always on. And we only have one user. Let's close the VNC for now, as it can interfere with the INI settings. Then we go to Transfer, INI file, Send. With that transferred, let's go to Local Mode, System Setting, and we see that the buzzer is now off, and the backlight setting is set to Auto 1 with an off time of 15 seconds. And an additional user that had previously been saved has been added back in. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button to see more content like this as it's released.